Which year was the song Sister Bettina was dropped?
Yo, like who keeps the memory of when? Okay, Sister Bettina, I was young, I remember. Not too young though. I think it was around 2007. No. All right, Sister Bettina, which year did? Let's say 204.
American.
I was just still there, perplexed, angry, disappointed, and very, very angry.
Okay, Pop the book was dropped in 1859. I forgot to say that. So if I'm not wrong, the song was dropped in 2006.
Yeah, but I was close.
But it's not correct.
But then it's me, man.
Hey, Vanna. Hey, Vanna.
He sponsors Bugairas and Pat. Does it work like